Hi everyone! Today I'm finally packing for our Vegas trip, and first on my list of to-dos is preparing this denim jacket I got from Mango more than 20 years ago now. Gosh, it's been a long time, but it still fits and looks pretty good, so I thought it'd be perfect for the Tata and finger heart patches I got a while back. I found these at Patches Paradise, and I'll leave a link to their Instagram in my description. I thought it would be nice to have Tata just kind of standing and taking little steps at the top of the pocket here. And then the finger heart on my left collar, just right there. I think the quality of these are so nice, and they were really affordable too, like 7 for $20 if I remember correctly. So I picked out all the BT21 I could find, but I think Tata and finger heart are the two that go best with this jacket. Oh, how cute is that? Exactly what I was aiming for. Now for the collar. So this video is not sponsored at all, but I love supporting small businesses, and if you check out Patches Paradise on socials, you might not see a lot of iron-on patches, but more denim jackets because they customize those for you. I'm not really one to go out shopping for iron-on patches, but hubby and I were just walking past one day and saw this table spread full of beautiful ones. And I wasn't exactly looking for BT21, but he found the first one and then we started finding more, and before you know it, here I am bringing a part of that to Vegas with me. And here is the finished look. Let's hope the weather is cool enough for me to wear this at the concert. Speaking of concert, here's my transparent concert bag. I got this from Amazon and I'll leave a link below. I decided on this because of the reinforced straps that doesn't unbuckle for safety reasons. Attached here is an Aussie floral logo keyring by local artist Janet Lee. I'll leave her Etsy store details below. Then there's a Velcro front pocket where I'm storing PTD photo card packs as a color blocking background. And I've got Van, also an iron-on patch that I'm using as a feature for my bag because I can't fit the other 6 characters in here, so I thought let's just go with Van. On the advice of my army sister Sam, I'm also bringing some sleeves and top loaders because I should be getting new photo cards from the BTS theme room I've booked. Very excited about that. And I've also got new AAA batteries in this pocket for my army bomb. This bag measures 8 by 8 inches with a depth of 3 inches, which is within the stadium approved dimensions. I'd say it's more of a regular size because I could have gone with a maximum 12 by 12 inch bag, but I'm not planning on bringing so much on concert day, and I'm gonna try my luck getting my army bomb and other merch the day before. In the bag goes a lip balm, hydrating spray, and I'm bringing products that are almost empty just in case security requires me to discard them before entering the stadium. Hand sanitizer, and a pack of tissues that happen to be in purple, completely unplanned. These products will get us by while queuing for hours under the Vegas sun, and what's left to add when we're there will be some energy bars, my light stick, and bottle of water. I did originally pin brooches on my strap, but there are mixed messages about Allegiant Stadium not allowing pins, so I'm gonna leave them out because I don't want my brooches confiscated. Now onto my personal bag. So I'll be using this Army mini luggage as my handbag. It does fit within the dimensions permitted by the airlines, and in here will be an inflatable neck pillow and eye mask set. And if you'd like to see my unboxing of this mini luggage, I'll leave a link below as well. It came with this handy drawstring pouch. Then I've got another neck pillow. This one is the memory foam type, and I'll just be attaching this to my roller carry-on bag separately. Bringing the Midnight Library in case I do any reading on the flight. And here is my clear toiletry bag with our must-have in-flight necessities. I might do a separate video when I'm back from the trip, going through all the products in more detail and how I separate my carry-on toiletries from checked-in skincare and makeup to ensure a smooth process with TSA, and how I plan my packing around all of it. Then I've got medication, put that on this side. Some lemon drops to help soothe our throat from dryness. I really like this one. I've got my 3D Army face mask. These are really comfortable for the flight. Thanks, Sam. I'll be trying out the AirFly on this trip. It's a nifty little gadget that connects your AirPods to in-flight entertainment, and I'll do a separate review on this after I use it on our return flight and let you know if it was any good. A couple more packets of tissues. Oh, and I'll also throw in my battery pack after charging it, charging cable, AirPods, and I'm also bringing along our MacBook, so this will sit on top for easy removal at the scanning point. Then I'll move it under all my stuff after we've passed security. Moving on to what's going in my carry-on luggage. Makeup. I'm gonna have to reshuffle things around by liquids and solids, so like I said, I'll just do a separate video going through all that in detail. And the reason I'm taking makeup on my carry-on and not checking them in is just in case our check-in luggage doesn't arrive with us. So there are some skincare and cosmetics that I will have with me to get by the first few days if that were to happen. I'm using the Sol pouch for this, and then the LA one I'm trying out for my jewelry, which I usually store in a jewelry roll, but thought I'll try something more in theme for this trip. In it goes my Suzu earrings, in the Soup 2 earrings, Talmajong rings, Microcosmos bracelet, the UN Sustainable Development Goals pin, Stonehenge Moment of Birth V necklace, Permission to Dance necklace. I really like this one and how it wears layered with the Stonehenge necklace. Taste Faces brooch set. My Permission to Dance scarf. I'm not sure yet if I'll wear this tied around my hair on concert day. I think it could look nice, but we'll see. And just for fun, my light stick pen. On my carry-on luggage, I'll use my membership merch pack luggage tag, and this came with the purple mini luggage I was packing earlier. I think the white goes really well, and that bright orange is so PTD. Now, what goes into my cabin luggage, which should cover the first couple of days? A pack of plain black K94 masks, my Puma touring shoes. These are so comfortable and no surprises here, but I'm wearing them to the show. My passport, this is actually going in my purple luggage, and so in goes my shoes. A maxi dress that has that PTD orange vibe going. A retro dynamite type print dress. My concert dress, I had to go with purple. My denim jacket, all ready with Tata. If you guys would like to see the full outfits that I'm packing, let me know in the comments below, and maybe I can do an OOTD video while I'm in Vegas. A couple of undies, and bear in mind, I'm packing to have enough if my check-in items go missing in transit, so I'm not left stranded with nothing to wear. Simple blue jeans and a white top. A pullover, and this is my favorite from In the Soup 2. I'm bringing my PTD beret along. I'm not sure if I'll wear it depending on the weather. Then I've got my makeup and jewelry pouches. I always pack my jewelry with me and never check it in. Couple of hats to choose from. It's gonna be hot and sunny. concert bag. And I think I'll go with this hat. Actually, the sales assistant at the hat store did tell me this was travel friendly, so I'm gonna fold and fit it in right here. So that's my cabin luggage pretty much ready to go, all up weighing just under 7 kilos, so everything else will be in my checked in luggage, and all of the concert related gear will be with me at all times. So yeah, the countdown begins. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to be back with some good content to share with you all from my journey. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Until then, take care everyone. Borahae. You're the